This is Chase with Leak Intelligence, here to show you how easy it is to install the Leak Intelligence water valve. This video will be a demonstration on a residential system. To begin installation, you will want to locate and shut off the customer's main water. Once the water is turned off, you will want to drain your customer's excess water from the pipes. This should be done by opening a spigot or a sink from the lowest point of the home. Please allow sufficient time for the water to drain. Before proceeding with installation, you should have the following tools: a pipe cutter, a pipe or crescent wrench, and a measuring tape. For PEX, CPVC, and copper, Leak Intelligence offers installation kits of several sizes for both flex and non-flex formats. In this installation, we will be using a 3/4 inch flex installation kit on PEX piping. Your installation kit will include an 18-inch SharkBite hose, a 3/4 inch SharkBite connector, a 3/4 inch pipe connector, and a roll of plumber's Teflon tape. First, you will circle the connector threads with 10 to 12 wraps of Teflon tape. Once completed, you will screw your connectors into the valve. This should be done by hand and straight to prevent cross-threading. Once your connectors feel tight, use your wrench to tighten the valve. The connector should be tight but not torqued down. Next, attach the SharkBite hose to the opposite end of the pipe connector. Now that the valve is prepped, we are ready to begin cutting the pipe. First, you'll need to measure out 12 inches. Using your pipe cutters, cut along the marks that you made. Once you have two nice clean cuts, measure out 1 inch further from your cut. Next, attach the valve to the pipes, ensuring that both SharkBite connectors are all the way to your mark. Now that you've completely installed the Leak Intelligence water valve, please turn on the main water slowly, checking all connection points, ensuring there are no leaks. This concludes the demonstration of how to install the Leak Intelligence water valve. This is Chase with Leak Intelligence, here to show you the connection and setup of your Leak Gopher Z-Wave control. The Leak Gopher has two inputs, an RJ11 for water control valve and a power input for the included power cube. Please allow 60 seconds for the Z-Wave controller to fully power up. Your Leak Gopher includes 3 remote buttons: a green water on button, a red water off button, and a black Z-Wave add and remove button. To add your Z-Wave module to a controller, first put your Z-Wave controller into the add or include mode, then hit the black Z-Wave button. On some controllers, you may need to hit the button more than once to confirm the module. Once included, you should assign the valve a name for future reference. After a final test of off and on, you are complete with your installation of the Leak Gopher Z-Wave valve. This concludes the installation of your Leak Gopher Z-Wave controller. Please refer to your alarm or Z-Wave controller setup guide for suggested rules and schedules.